welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be here with you all again. I am here with another one, okay? I'm taking it back for a week. We doing all synthetic affordable units for one full week. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so I hope you guys are ready for the ride. This unit is Dashley Lace Unit 22. I gotta make sure I still got it, honey, okay? Dashley is an HD lace. Keep them guessing, ho, okay? She's sensational. Again, she's a deep center part with chunky highlight blonde is the color. So let's dig on in. It's been a while. I know I've been kind of stingy with the affordable units, more affordable units. So I wanted to get back the black, okay, with y'all, especially before Black Friday. Believe it or not, this is my third time filming this video, so there's that. Something is up with my camera. So this is the deep center part Dashley unit. She's 350 degrees to 450 degrees safe. Okay, she has a deep center hand tie part with baby hairs. Okay, and again, I have her in the color chunky highlight blonde, but she comes in a ton of other colors. This, my loves, is chunky highlight blonde. She is giving black girl blonde realness. I am obsessed. Oh, the color gives me chills, honey. I love this. So sensational. I need all the wigs that come in this color. All of them. All of them. Sensational. Let us know which units come in this color. I'll do the research, y'all, so we can find out, because this is the color. Wait till I throw her on. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. This is that deep center height hand tie part. I did go on through and darken this up with my Fenty Beauty foundation. Super, super cute, okay? Again, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, Wakanda Forever, just in case y'all didn't hear me. I know y'all trying to figure out how much this is going to cost you. Less than $30, huh? Less than $30. I like less than $30. Less than $30. This is, first of all, the hair feels wonderful. The cap is so beautifully constructed. She really is a vibe. I put her, even like, let me just shift her to the side so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So you can wear her more than one way, which we love. She does tangle a bit, but I'm not too upset about that because we already know mother is synthetical, okay? That's okay, baby. You can be a little synthetic. You see she got a little knot in there. That's okay. That is okay. We're going to get it out. Take our time. There you go. Y'all see that? Yeah. Worth it. It was worth the little brush. Less than $30. You can wear her to the side for less than $30. I love this little wave tendril in the front, okay? She's giving a vibe. I think it adds something. It's funny. When I saw this unit, and I kind of was like, I'm taking it all back. I'm shutting my mammy tapping mouth, okay? Because y'all did all the work. Look at this. Middle part. Am I giving beach realness? This is the quintessential California color and hair for black women. Look at this. So, I'm just going to go on through with my Andes straightener. Everybody should have one at this point. I have it on my Amazon store as well, so you guys can check it out. It's like literally $20. But all the girlies, if you're doing wigs, you need an electric straightening comb. It's just like a must, okay? I don't know how y'all flatten your hair without it. I'm just going through again. She is up to 450 degrees safe, but we don't even have to give her that much. She don't need that much. She really, really don't. You just need a little bit. I'm going to use my John Frieda Volume Lift Hairspray. This is my favorite stuff, okay? When I'm doing those big, beautiful, bouncy curls, I'm using this, okay? And it holds. It is wonderful. And the reason why I'm going to use this, I think this looks great, but I want to give her a little bit, like right up in here. Just a little bit of volume. Okay, nothing to tangle her up. Just a little bit of volume. Nothing to tangle her up, just a little volume. There you go. There you go. You see that? But do you see the difference? with a little bit of volume. Because I want this to be like this. Like, out the face, giving OG, I don't want to say Kim K curls, but I can't think of nothing else. Not that I don't like Kim K. I just try not to idolize her. So, like, are you picking up what I'm putting down? I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely positively obsessed. I think she is absolutely positively beautiful. I think the color is absolutely positively stunning. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. I am really into this. And you guys should be too. I mean, for less than $30, I'm so glad we're getting back to getting into these like synthetic units. I'm literally doing a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of just synthetic hair. Getting back to black. This is us from like our original start. Okay, sitting on the floor of my living room. This is a really great way to start this out. A great way to start this out. What do y'all think? Tell me what y'all think for real. Okay? I'm into this. Let me turn around. She's pretty long too. Yeah, she's pretty long. I'm like into this. I think this is a vibe. The truth of the matter is I should have bought this more than one time. I bought this. I wanted to do something special for you guys. I always get sent human hair wigs. And I have a few in the tuck that I like in synthetic wigs, you know, outre and everything. But I wanted to try something different, like Sensationnel. I know I'm always talking mess about them, but this baby, I would buy this unit 1,000 times. 1,000. As a matter of fact, in this color, I'm going to look for her again. Because to me, this is something you can throw on if you're looking for something very easy. You're one of those girls that you don't want to be, you know, doing all the shink-the-dink and everything like that. Chop the lace off. Make sure she's your skin tone and keep it moving. That's it and that's all. She's absolutely positively perfect. I mean, perfect. There's absolutely nothing I have to say about this. No critiques. Perfect. Sensationnel Dashley, you did it again. You did it again. So if you have not already, do me a favor, bust down. I'm Intisar Eleanor. Make sure that you comment, like, share. Let me know how you're feeling about this. Are you excited for a full week of wigs, synthetical wigs? I am. Okay? Something affordable for the girls. Y'all, get into this. Go grab her. I better have sold this, huh? I'm sold. I sold it to me. I sold it to me. So I know I had to sell it to y'all, okay? So I love y'all. I hope to see you on the other side. Make sure you comment and let me know what's up with the what's up. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.